Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are evaluating a quadratic function at 4 different inputs. Our function is g of x equals 2x squared minus 5x plus 1. We need to find g of 0, g of negative 3, g of 2a, and g of a minus 3. Key concept: substitution. Evaluating a function means replacing every x with the given input. Then simplify using order of operations. That's all there is to it. Let's work through each one. Step 1. Find g of 0. Start with g of x equals 2x squared minus 5x plus 1. Replace every x with 0. G of 0 equals 2 times 0 squared minus 5 times 0 plus 1. 2 times 0 is 0. Minus 0. Plus 1. G of 0 equals 1. Step 2. Find g of negative 3. Replace every x with negative 3. G of negative 3 equals 2 times negative 3 squared minus 5 times negative 3 plus 1. Important: negative 3 squared equals positive 9. Negative times negative equals positive. So we get 2 times 9 plus 15 plus 1. That is 18 plus 15 plus 1. G of negative 3 equals 34. Step 3. Find g of 2a. Replace every x with 2a. G of 2a equals 2 times 2a squared minus 5 times 2a plus 1. 2a squared equals 4a squared. Then multiply by 2 out front. 2 times 4a squared equals 8a squared. 5 times 2a equals 10a. G of 2a equals 8a squared minus 10a plus 1. Step 4. Find g of a minus 3. Replace every x with the quantity a minus 3. G of a minus 3 equals 2 times the quantity a minus 3 squared. Minus 5 times the quantity a minus 3 plus 1. First, expand a minus 3 squared. A minus 3 squared equals a squared minus 6a plus 9. Now substitute back in. 2 times the quantity a squared minus 6a plus 9. Minus 5 times the quantity a minus 3 plus 1. Distribute the 2m squared minus 12a plus 18. Distribute the negative 5 minus 5a plus 15. Plus 1. Combine like terms. Negative 12a minus 5a equals negative 17a. 18 plus 15 plus 1 equals 34. G of a minus 3 equals 2a squared minus 17a plus 34. Let's recap all 4 answers. G of 0 equals 1. G of negative 3 equals 34. G of 2a equals 8a squared minus 10a plus 1. G of a minus 3 equals 2a squared minus 17a plus 34. The key skill is substitution. Replace every x, then simplify carefully. Watch out for squaring negative numbers and expanding binomials. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.